never sleep, never tire, and never make mistakes. Every product is built with precision.
Artificial intelligence controls every step, predicting problems before they happen and optimizing efficiency.
Robots pick, sort, and deliver faster than any human could.
AI manages entire cities, predicting and optimizing every move.
In skies and highways, AI takes the wheel. Humans now observe. Machines run the show silently.
As night falls, the factory awakens. Robotic arms glide with precision under cold neon lights, assembling products tirelessly. Humans are nowhere to be seen. Efficiency has no need for sleep. This is the future of manufacturing, silent, perfect, and fully automated. Every movement is calculated, every product flawless. Sparks fly as robotic arms assemble circuits and components faster than any human ever could. In this world, machines have mastered craftsmanship and speed, a symphony of steel and light. From above, the entire factory appears alive. AI systems orchestrate every arm, every conveyor, every process, predicting needs before they arise. There is no chaos here, only perfect coordination, intelligence in motion. On these streets, there are no human drivers. AI pilots every vehicle with flawless precision, navigating traffic, avoiding collisions, and moving like clockwork. Safety, efficiency, and speed converge as the city transforms under the guidance of artificial intelligence. In the sky and on the road, Autopilot takes command. Airplanes cruise effortlessly above clouds, while trucks convoy on highways without human input. AI handles navigation, speed, and safety, a silent pilot ensuring perfection at every turn.
AI drones monitor the streets, analyzing traffic and pedestrian flow in real time. Holographic data predicts congestion, optimizing the city's rhythm.
Entire cities pulse with intelligence. Traffic flows seamlessly, drones monitor streets, and AI systems control lighting, energy, and public transport. The city is alive, anticipating needs, minimizing chaos, and ensuring order in ways humans could never achieve. Tomorrow's factories are intelligent. Machines learn from each task, adapt to changes, and evolve their workflow continuously. Human intervention is minimal. The factory improves itself in real time, redefining what efficiency truly means. At a speed faster than anything humans have experienced, the bullet train slices through cities and landscape. Its aerodynamic frame glows with neon light, silently cutting through the night. Sensors constantly monitor the tracks. AI optimizes every turn and acceleration. Passengers feel no turbulence, just effortless, seamless travel.
This is the future of high-speed transit, where time itself bends to technology. The revolution is silent. Machines operate tirelessly, invisibly reshaping industries, cities, and lives. humans watch as efficiency and automation redefine the world, quietly but irrevocably. The future is already here. AI designs, controls, and optimizes our world. We are observers in this new age, witnessing a transformation where human imagination and machine intelligence collide.
Wow, you've just taken a journey into the incredible world of AI, robots, and the future around us. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Pop Toonie, AI-powered cartoon fun ad. We've got more amazing videos like this, exploring technology, smart cities, and futuristic adventures, all ready for you to dive into. Come join the fun and stay ahead in the world of AI.